Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to animate images using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, open your project, then go to Photos or Uploads, wherever you have your images that you would like to animate. Let's go to Photos, then choose a picture, and to animate it, you just have to tap on it or click on it to select the picture. And on the top of the screen, the animation icon will appear. And when you tap on it, you can choose from this huge list of different animation types to animate your image. At the basic tab, you have these rise, pan, fade, breathe, tectonic, and drift animations. And down there you can see there are different types of animations. Scale, where the images just pops in or zooms out, like exaggerate animations, where the image has like this specific movement, slides, and photo movements. So these are the animations. If you want to remove your animation, you just tap on remove animation and your image is going to become as it was before. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.